You're listening to Max Talks.
Brought,
Right.
and the whole what you call, how do you do it, how do you manage it, how do you have a valid
Correct.
policy, how do you showcase it. All these skills are brought to the notice. If you have any doubts, there's a question answer session. So if that is important, that the company has to give that kind of importance to it. And
Correct.
nowadays it's mandated that there has to be posh compliance.
Right.
So if you want not to be penalized, it is important that there's a 50,000 fine
Right.
if you're not posh compliant. So
Right.
that way they ensure that even big companies are getting trained really well. I mean, the
Correct.
employees are getting trained really well nowadays.
Correct. So, if you could give the organization one piece of advice or maybe suggestion to improve their posh compliance, what would it be from your side?
As per me, it should be, if you need to have an effective posh compliance or a posh policy, you need to have your committee members who have enough of training
Okay.
and who have sensitivity to deal with this kind of what you call complaints. That is the
Okay.
most important thing. You should pick people with sensitivity, and people who are experienced with psychology, who are experienced in the sense to understand where the bias is. So that's the only way the posh policy can be implemented, so that tomorrow if there is a breach, they are able to recognize that there is a breach.
Okay.
Yeah, because there's always this confusion whether it is sexual harassment or other harassment. So
Right.
your posh policy has to be very, very effective as to what amounts to sexual harassment.
Right. Right.
Whether it is like more than 10-second stare,
Right.
is you should not do such kind of things.
Right.
This is what you should be sure when you are standing next to your female employee. So all these things have, the important thing is it should be mandated very well in the policy and circulated to all the employees, and even junior employees, apprentices, everybody, all should be made aware, so they have an effective so that the even the apprentices who come are not sexually exploited.
Right. Right.
So that is important, that everybody is made aware, whether you're irrespective. And there is this misnomer that it is only in companies where female employees are there that posh is required. No, it is required in every company, because you have clients who come, you have
Correct.
external vendors who come, who may be
Right.
women. So that way, then when you're very clear on how, what is sexual harassment, or how to, or when to report, then
Right.
it becomes very effective.
Right. Right. So, what changes would you like to see in how companies approach workplace safety and inclusivity?
They should not just basically nowadays what companies are doing ki, it is like it's a compliance mandate to karna hai. No, the
Correct.
companies have to get actively involved to basically retain their employees by having
Right.
a very, very what you call, effective posh policy. It's
Okay.
not for the sake of filing returns. They just, acha theek hai, hum log mil, we are meeting, we have done, we have
Mhm.
completed our whatever amount of meetings that are required, our policy is there, so we are posh compliant. There should be sensitivity to the fact that whether the cases are getting reported,
Okay.
or whether the power dynamic is working in such a way that people are getting basically subdued, or they are
Right.
oppressed and they are not able to
Right.
what you call, report.
Right.
Yeah.
Also, what I would like to know, does the external committee and the internal committee, they also go through this training, or
See, the
how?
external member is a member who will definitely have some kind of training.
Okay.
Generally, we are also posh
Okay.
satisfied. The external members are also posh satisfied. We do the trainings. The internal members, the company has to ensure that they are internally trained.
Okay.
The
Okay.
internal members.
So, are there any particular number of hours which are mandatory for them, or
No, I think it's just a workshop that you need to do, a training.
okay,
And for the for post apply for post certification, yes, you need to put in a particular amount of days, get a certificate. You have an exam and all that which has to be given.
okay,
But apart from that, internally to the company, it's not really you need to be like a certified posh person. No, you can pick up your senior employee who has been trained, and she can be a presiding member. As such, their what you call tenure is only 3 years. So every three
Okay.
years you need to change your ICC members.
Okay. Okay.
So
And how has been your experience in terms of your engagement with the corporates in the external committee or in the internal? I
I
mean,
have always I see I knowing the fact that I'm a lawyer, I cannot be an internal committee. I cannot be an employee. So the
okay.
internal committee people are always employees.
Right.
So
Right.
those who are on the payrolls of the company.
Okay.
I'm not. So as an external member, yes, it has been a good experience in terms of you need to guide once you know how to conduct these investigations. What is the the way the best way in which the order can be formulated?
Right.
Okay, how to be unbiased,
Right.
how to basically examine the evidence, or so that is the work of the external committee, external
Okay.
member.
Okay.
Yeah.
So good to know so many things,
Yeah, actually, if you realize this case had happened in 1997,
Right.
the decision, 1997, the Bhavri Devi rape case that happened.
Right.
After that, the Vishaka guidelines came,
Correct.
and then by the time the act came, it was 2013. But the awareness has come only in the last couple of years since the mandate has come in that this act has been formulated long back, which people were still unaware of.
Right. Right.
Yeah. So now we should make the new the generation, the new generation, the young generation aware that they have protection.
Correct.
In, of course, even the senior employees, but even the senior employees can be engaged in the ICC. So it's like
Right.
it's just around 12 years since the act is enacted. But
Right.
for it to come into actual operation, it required a legal mandate, which has
Right.
happened in the last couple of years.
So good. Good.